So I thought this was like somebody crossed with RoboCop. If I was Wolverine, I'd be pissed off too. Alright, superpowers. Fortress of Solitude, huh? What's he looking at on that screen? And who's this guy? If you know who that guy is, let me know in the comments. I want it. Just because I don't know who it is. Because it doesn't come with anything. Okay, I did not see this movie, but it's still the goofiest looking toy I've seen. I'm going to have to watch it just so I can see this giant monster.
You've just learned in this tape 3 critical areas of life and self-defense.